Hi class, I am in North Carolina and hopefully you can see behind me, you can even see the water. So I thought I'd come out here and share some of my vacation with you. I've been grading papers this morning. I've got all the discussion boards graded and all of the learning logs are graded, and I'm about, I guess, maybe close to halfway finished with your chapter summaries and your research directions. I wanted to share some feedback with you. I promise I'll have them all graded by tomorrow, but I'm just about ready to take a break and get in the pool with the family. We probably will go to the beach a little bit later too, but I want to get you feedback so you can start working on Module 2. Until then, feel free to take a day or two off, and hopefully I'll see everyone on the boards by Thursday. So a couple things. APA citations, a lot of your bibliographies so far are not in their correct format. I think some of you might be using MLA or some combination of those, but you really need to go to Purdue OWL or check the handbook or check, I'll try to post some samples here, maybe within this post, so you can see what I'm expecting. Two common mistakes. One, we do not need a retrieve date or a DOI. That is not part of APA. And the second is only the first letter gets capitalized on your citation, so you don't need to copy the entire title, only the first letter. Some other things do get capitalized though. You'll have to check that out. On your annotated bibliographies, I want to pay particular attention because your chapter worksheet last module, the last question was meant to give you a head start on that, and pretty much everybody has fallen short of what I'm looking for, but that's okay because I didn't really tell you what I was looking for. So on that, make sure that you have the research question that the study asks itself. Do not quote, but just write back what they are. A description of the methodology, but you need to, within that, and I revised this morning to be more clear on the Module 2 page, tell me about the sample, the description of the sample that the author uses, and also tell me about the context of the study. We need to know the strengths and limitations of the study. We also need to know an overview of the findings and a summary of the conclusions. You can also put like what kind of data they collected and how they analyzed it. That would probably be helpful. Not part of the grade, but it's something that we do expect when we get to the postgraduate level. I do prefer paraphrasing over quotes. A lot of people are using quotes so far, not necessary, unless you cannot say it better yourself, which I doubt we're going to have many of that. Please, in the annotated bibliographies, don't quote at all. And when you get to the lit review, just quote sparingly, maybe one or two for your entire lit review. I know a lot of you are used to doing more, but I don't want to see them. I want to see your writing. I did not read the questions on the Chapter 1 worksheet for qualitative and quantitative because I feel like I've given so much feedback and I have no idea when you wrote those, so I don't want to go back and re-give you feedback. So I did skip that part, but I did take a lot of time in the ones I've graded so far to give you a lot of detailed feedback, so I do want you very much to read that detailed feedback. Not many people commented back on the learning logs for Module 1, so it's okay, you don't have to do it, but in Module 2, I take time to reply to every single one of those. If you didn't see my feedback, go back, but at this point, Module 1's done, so don't worry about replying back. You could reply back to me perhaps in Module 2 from Module 1, but I'm not going to be checking Module 1 anything anymore after I get done grading. So I hope everyone's having a good day. I am. Take a look around. I'm up here in Kerala, and I'm ready to get in the pool, so I'm going to finish up what I'm doing. The last couple papers I'm going to work on for now. I'll get the rest tonight and tomorrow morning, and I'll see you on the boards by Thursday, but otherwise, take a quick break. Thanks, guys, and welcome to Module 2. Hey, we're 25% done. Yay!